Hello and welcome to Snackverse number 4. As we don't know what country this is from, we will now open this up and find out the little booklet that tells me as to where these are from. Open it. Here's the little booklet. Here we go. So the snacks we have today are from Greece. And it gives a little booklet and tells you all about the sweets that we've got. Let's have a look and see some of the ones we have. Fruit Fraudelnia. Maize snack with peanut and hazelnut. They sound nice. Oregano flavoured chips, crisps, whatever we call it. This is not quite. Cheetos, cheese and tomato. Malto. Oh, they look nice. Double. Banana and pavlova. They look quite nice. Oh, we've got a drink. Oh no. Caprice. Oh, those little sticks. Nice chocolate. Oh, that looks like a wafer. A chocolate wafer. And cherry pie. Ooh. Another bar, cake bar. It's like a chocolate. Soon you get your money's worth out of this lot. Derby, caramel. Kiss. It's like a strawberry. It's like a strawberry. Gluten-free Honakia. Ooh. Round little things. I don't know what they are. And gluten-free. Make your burger. Greece. Sesame bar and honey. Oh, that looks nice. Ooh, Lacta Oreo strawberry flavour. That looks nice. And we got a little it's like a praline. Doesn't tell me what it is, but that looks interesting, whatever it is. Oh, we've got a drink. Oh, that looks like a cherry drink. That looks quite nice. And we've got snack pack. Whatever those things are. Little chewy things here. Oh, that looks like a strawberry jelly, super jelly. Chewy, they look. Well, there seems to be quite a few of those. And many, whatever those things are. They're quite nice. And we've got, I don't know what that is. There seems to be quite a few of these little chewy things. There's a super jelly. That looks like a lemon. And that's it. That's all from Greece. So I'll put these all back in here. And might try that one. Might try that one. Put those back in there. The idea is not to eat them all at once, to try and sort of make them last a week. But I'm going to try, what's that one? They look like jelly things. Gum, yeah, gum. I'll try those later. I'm interested to try that. What's that? No, that's for later. So these, this one, number 4, is from Greece. So, back in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I might try that. Right, let's see. It's like, try these. Try this. That's if I can open it. Oh, here we are. So what's this? The knee. What is it? Doesn't tell me. It looks like a chocolate. It's got something crunchy in it. It's quite nice. Okay. Can't quite decide the flavour, but it's nice. So some Greece, number 4. Put this aside. Try that for later. Thank you for watching.